Hello and welcome to Tech Tools for Schools. My name is Rachel and today I'll be showing you how to insert GIFs and movable objects into your Google Slides. Let's get started. This is what my class website looks like this year. So you can use GIFs on Google Sites as well. You can see a bunch of different GIFs already on my Blackboard. I have one for my weekly assignments, my class YouTube page, and to explore the bookshelf. Canva.com is a free photo editing website that can make anything look professional. I definitely think it's Google's best friend. Make sure if you haven't already, sign up for the Canva Pro account with your educator's email. I had to get my email approved, but I checked the following day and it was already done. So they're pretty quick about giving teachers access to these cool features. The first way to begin using GIFs is by browsing the animated social media templates. There are so many different templates that can help you get started, but for our purposes, let's choose the one with the different emojis. Maybe you would want to use this image as a link to a Google Form check-in, just to see how your students are doing emotionally. I know many of our students could really use someone just to make sure that they're doing all right being stuck at home all the time right now. But you can change the colors of the background, you can change the colors of the border, but I'm just going to leave it as it is and then use another tool to include other GIFs into the picture. Giphy is another great site, and it actually is an add-on to Canva.com. Just click on More from the toolbar and then click on Giphy. You can search for any images you want to use, but I always limit to my search to Doodle Transparent. That gives me plenty of cute options to spruce up my slides without it looking too busy. It also excludes the background from the images. Next, we need to actually download the image. So at the top right, you'll see Download Video. But you actually want to download it as a GIF. That is very important. Now that the image has been downloaded as a GIF, you can see that download at the bottom of your page. All that's left now is to go back to your Google Slides and drag and drop that download onto your slide. You can resize the image and move it anywhere that works for you. I like to have my main buttons on the Blackboard so my students will be drawn in to click. Once you have your image on your page, now you can go ahead and link it to another website or slide like you normally would. So that's how you insert GIFs and movable objects into your Google Slides. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know in the comments any other tutorials that you'd like to see.